Good afternoon and welcome everyone. This is AIFraudDesk.com, an AI-powered fraud monitoring dashboard that helps small businesses, freelancers, and individuals spot scams fast before they cost money. Now, getting started is very simple. Head to the upload section, drop your bank statement, suspicious email, screenshot, or invoice. Every file is then secured with SHA-256 hashing right away to make it tamper-proof. You can upload a suspicious email. The AI then scans it instantly and flags it as critical or as a phishing attack detected with fake links and urgent language. You can see the risk score, detailed findings, and clear recommended actions. Back to the main dashboard, everything updates automatically. The total scans, active alerts, and a nice risk distribution pie chart. Recent alerts show up here in red for critical issues. All scans give you the full history. Click any of the details, then generate a professional PDF report, complete with timestamps, findings, and your file's SHA-256 hash for verification. One-click export or email. As with all of my apps, we have a built-in Q&A quality testing center. Here you can generate seed data with fake fraud scenarios, run the full automated suite, and you will see that there is 100% pass results. This shows you that the core features of this app are bug-free. Fast, secure, no tech skills needed. Visit AIFraudDesk.com today.